Why don't vegetables ever get to play hide and seek? Because potatoes always keep their eyes peeled. Now, chuckles aside, let's rustle up a zesty salad that's sure to tickle your taste buds. Our main attractions for today are grape tomatoes, a robust English cucumber, a ripe avocado, fresh cilantro, tangy lemon juice, a glug of extra virgin olive oil, and a sprinkling of salt and black pepper. So if you're ready to dodge cucumber slices and wrestle with avocados, let's dive right into this salad saga. First off, we're dealing with grape tomatoes. You know, the ones that are always trying to roll off your cutting board and onto the floor. Now, these little fellas can be quite the rascals. It's almost like they have a mind of their own, plotting their great escape the moment you turn your back. But we've got a salad to make, so no time for tomato tomfoolery. Our first step is to gently coax these mischievous morsels into halving themselves. Now remember, it's a delicate operation. One false move and you've got a tomato on the lamb. So wield your knife with precision and let's show these tomatoes who's boss. Next, we're going to take these halved heroes and give them a good toss in the salad bowl. Watch as they tumble and turn, adding a burst of color and a pop of flavor to our soon-to-be magnificent salad. All right, tomatoes are done. Let's move on to the cucumber, or as I like to call it, the crunchy water. Now the cucumber, it's a tricky one. It's made up of 95% water, but the rest is pure mischief. This long green troublemaker can be a slippery customer, I tell you. Picture yourself in the kitchen just trying to make a humble salad, and there it goes, sliding out of your hands like a greased-up piglet at a county fair. Now to tame this green beast, you gotta slice it nice and thin. But be careful now. They have a tendency to roll away just to add to your kitchen adventures. Then you're gonna want to quarter them. That's right, we're turning these slippery culprits into bite-sized pieces of crunchy delight. And there you have it. Our cucumber is prepped and ready to join its salad companions. It may have put up a fight, but in the end, they always succumb to the salad's call. Now that we've survived the cucumber chaos, it's time to tackle the drama queen of the kitchen, the avocado. Now, avocados are a bit like cats. They're either too hard or too soft, and they're never just right when you need them to be. Today, we're going to wrestle with the delicious but sometimes challenging avocado. This green delight can be a bit tricky. You think you've got a ripe one, you cut into it, and surprise, it's harder than a diamond or it's turned into guacamole on the inside. Now, on to the pit. It's like the avocado's little joke on us. You think you can just pop it out, right? Well, sometimes it's more stubborn than a mule on a hot summer day. You might need a spoon, a knife, or even a little sweet talk to get that pit to budge. Once you've got that pit out, it's time to dice up that avocado. But be careful not to turn it into mush. We're not making guacamole here. Phew. We've successfully navigated the avocado antics. Now it's time to assemble our salad and add the finishing touches. Now that our ingredients have been tamed, it's time to assemble this masterpiece and add the cilantro, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Imagine you're a maestro, orchestrating a symphony of flavors. A dash of this, a pinch of that, and oh, the delightful chaos of it all. And voila! We've created a salad that's as hilarious to make as it is delicious to eat. Remember, folks, if you enjoyed this culinary comedy, don't forget to like, follow, and most importantly, try not to mess up the recipe like I did. Because in this kitchen, it's not just about the food, it's about the fun we have making it. Also, for your convenience, we've the recipe in the video description. Now you can easily follow along and create your own culinary masterpiece.